How to fix ULTRAKILL is crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click the game on your library and open up the properties window. Now in the general tab you want to add -dx11 to the launch options and then go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files button. And once this process is completed, you can close Steam and open up a new browser tab. Now you want to search for Redist and click on the first Microsoft link. From here, scroll down to the second table and download and install the 86 and the 64 version of the redistributables. After you finish the installation, it will ask you to reboot your computer. Now, after the reboot, you want to check if you have the latest updates of your GPU installed. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you can use NVIDIA app and go to drivers. And from here, check for updates and install the latest available updates. Or if you have AMD, you can use the AMD software. And now you will need to start Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can try to launch the game from your library. And this should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.